Bubblegum Pop to have a fun bouquet for this summer. These are all items that you can grow in your cut flower garden or your garden setting. We're going to start out first with 5 stems of purple ruffle basil. We're going to add to our water source. We've got our 5 stems in. We need to arrange them or cut them. We can have that. There we go. We have our 5 stems. We have our base for it. We're going to use verbena. You can see this cute purple. It's got some airy elements, a great texture to it. It's going to pop out of our vase. It's going to be a little taller. I'm going to go ahead and remove some of this bottom foliage so that it doesn't get into our water source and lets our flowers last a little longer. If this is a little tall at the end, we know we can shorten it down. We're going to leave it tall as our center. Pop out here just a minute until we get everything placed. Fun, airy elements in with our basil. So we have our verbena that's added. Now we're going to add our zinnias. And I have 8 of these fun pink bubblegum color, different shades of Bubblegum Pop. And we're going to add these zinnias to our bouquet. It's going to be a fun one just to have around. If we're having a party or any kind of event, this would be a fun one to be able to add to it. I want to add different heights to it. As you can kind of see, I'm putting some a little taller, a little shorter, giving that dimension as we're kind of going. The next thing we're going to add is we're going to add 5 stems of our pink flamingo celosia. I love this texture. Look at these little fun bits of pink popping out of the ends. And so these are going to be great to add to our bouquet today. We have 5 stems we're going to place in here. I like to kind of arrange them around. I'm going to add a little taller here to the center since we're bringing it up a little more vertical. So we have kind of a textured elements kind of coming out right here from this center part. The next one I'm going to add is a hot pink celosia. It's a plume variety. You can kind of see it's a little thicker than our pink flamingo variety, but it's still a very fun one to have. So we're going to add this one to our Bubblegum Pop. Okay, we're going to add 3 of them. So I want to kind of place them around, kind of stagger them out on each of our sides, kind of giving us that triangle look to it, kind of bringing our eyes around. And the last thing we're going to add is 5 stems of our, this one is, sometimes it's called Strawberry Field, but this one is Gumbrina, and it's got these really cute hot pink balls that are on them. They dry really well, so they're a fun one to add. But this is going to give us just some of these fun pop out. If we're thinking about bubble gums, we're thinking about those bubbles that were popping out. Love this Gumbrina. It dries really, really well, so it's a fun one to have in the garden. So as you can see, we have our Bubblegum Pop Bouquet. It's a fun one. Any side you go to, you're going to see these fun elements to it. So it's a great one to add to our summer lineup as bouquets that we can give away.